Hey guys, welcome to another episode of
Journey with the Jacksons.
Yeah. So today we have several Jamaican fruits which we are displaying and we will be eating and giving you feedback of it.
Alright, but just before we get into that, thank you guys so much for watching all our other videos.
Yeah.
And for subscribing. Welcome to those of you who are new and to the oldies but goodies who keep watching. Thank you so very much.
Yeah.
Please remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and tell us what you think about our videos down below. Also today we have some fabulous people with us,
Yeah.
our friends and cousins and whatnot. So this is Jody.
Hey guys.
And this is Troy.
Hello.
And this is Monique.
And I am Gavin.
And I'm Shauna. Alright, so as Gavin said, today we are today's video is about us trying different fruits you can find here in Jamaica. So and fruits that a lot of people in Jamaica grew up eating and would have, some of these fruits are growing naturally in their backyards, or you go to the market and purchase them or stuff along that line. I don't know which one of them you know and that you grow up eating or trying or whatnot, but let's see. You can comment down below and tell us what you think, alright?
Yeah.
And which is your favorite fruit. Alright, so guys, ready?
Yep.
Alright, let's go.
Alright. Which one first?
Are you decide, Gav?
Okay. Oh, you're peeling?
Feeling fine.
So let's start with the fine.
Feeling
So.
fine. Alright. Yes.
Alright, so one more thing to note, guys, is that it varies on the time that these fruits are harvested, the crop where it is grown. So our taste to these fruit may not go right across the board, because like this pine might give a sour taste and another pine have a sweet taste. So it varies a lot.
Alright, and so and a lot of people, we already know that there are different types of don't want to start eating the pine already. I didn't have a taste. I said,
Really?
all of them, you know?
Not me.
Alright, so what we're going to do is actually for some people you'll find that the pine may scratch your mouth. Yeah, like me, which is my mouth.
Yeah, so I don't eat it. I just go with the juice. Just straight juice is with pine.
Yeah.
I don't normally eat it like this.
Yeah, because people usually
Family
eat juice
something.
with it. It's a family something. Yeah, 'cause that one is my cousin.
Yeah, that one is my cousin.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It's pretty sweet, yeah?
Well, this is nice.
Very sweet.
Yeah, this is nice. I enjoy it.
And you know, yeah, nice. And you know, there is actually my grandma used to say like sugar loaf. So them have the pines categorized as
Cowboy. We know one in cowboy too. I think that one is white.
different. Oh.
White to the look.
Yeah.
White.
Yeah. White pine. So the inside is white.
Oh. So what, this one in sugar loaf?
I would.
I think the big fat ones are sugar loaf.
Anyway, this one is really good.
Right?
Yeah, go ahead.
Next up is the papaya. So
Show them the camera. Yeah. So let's see. This is papaya before. It's called papaya. This is the correct name, don't Jody?
Yes.
The
papaya.
correct name is papaya.
Fun fact, not all papaya trees are female.
True, because someone.
Oh, you get that with the
So
guinep
some
as
don't
well.
bear.
one guinep.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Not my biggest fan.
Yeah, I like this.
Sweet.
Sweet.
Yeah, I like this. Trust me. I like
Lovely.
this.
It is sweet and soft.
Yeah. It's a nice snack. Everything you can use as a snack instead of eating, the sugar and all this.
Yeah, and healthy stuff.
You can freeze it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know next?
The Jamaican apple.
The otaheite.
So, yeah.
Indigenous.
Talk
There you go.
Indigenous to Africa was brought here by indentured slavers, and it is now a staple of the Jamaican homestead.
No, that's
thing.
good fun. That's a good fact.
Yeah.
Because it is definitely different from the American apple and
Yeah, whereas the American apple has smaller seeds, this one has just one seed in it.
Yeah. Let's cut one. Let's open one up. Alright, this one. And absolute, I think that everywhere you go in Jamaica, you can find an apple tree.
I have one.
Yeah, we have quite a few. And the thing is, they're extremely, this is what it looks like open. So this is the seed. This is the one seed. And they can get they can be a lot bigger than this. So it depends on the seed, or they can be smaller. And again, they can be a kind of lighter red. It's like a lighter shade of red. What do you call that?
Yeah,
Like
or
pinky.
darker, can be darker, can be
More
lighter.
purplish.
Yeah, when they're more
Yeah,
purplish,
very
what
nice.
Jamaicans say, what Jamaican call them. It's about that.
That them very
Sugar.
similar.
No, it's a mellow apple.
Yeah.
I want to come from.
True.
I don't grow up a country. No, alright, yeah. Like,
Here.
our,
Yeah.
yeah, we all grew up in the country. Gavin says English.
Growing up, you'd have to say like things like when them overripe the mellow in a sense. So you'd have to say that's a melon number there.
Yo, big up yourself, Dan. Try every
Oh,
time.
really?
Yeah,
No,
respect.
but that's a true thing.
Alright.
Never hear it.
Alright, so let's try this. Guys, but another apple here. This is not the apple, guys, that Eve ate. Alright.
I doubt it.
Actually, we don't.
No, this is not the apple.
If she did.
So let's try it. If she did eat apple. Alright.
Alright.
Good na maybe.
Sweet.
We got some good fruits.
Kind of tangy.
No GMO. Natural.
Yeah. Very sweet. And birds are always eating this.
Juicy. Almost vegetarians.
One very interesting thing is, you know what is it for?
I don't need piece of that.
Definitely. It's
Thinking too.
This guys is called stinking toe. Alright, so Jamaicans pronounce it as a tinking toe, right? And
I wonder why.
it has a particular smell.
A true representative of self.
Very potent.
it's a true representative of what?
Self.
Of self for toe.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know what? It you to get this fruit to eat. As far as I know, you have to wait until it falls off the tree before. You know, that's the time that you should eat it.
Then, if you're really hungry, it's not really the fruit of choice because you have to go to rigorous process to get the
To crack
actual
it.
fruit out.
Yeah, because it's so hard.
But try get it out.
It's very hard.
Very hard.
So it's not easy to break. But this is it.
Open.
When it's opened. So it's like a powdery kind of we're smelling the aroma of the stinking toe. It's literally just basking the smell. It's what
Agents.
it has an age. You're so diplomatic. It has an aging smell. It think. It's
It's an acquired smell.
it's
Oh my gosh.
Jody, I know I eat it. Who've ever had this before? I have.
I have.
Troy, have you ever had it
Yes,
before?
and I would like to have some. It's been a while.
I think that is quite obvious.
Yeah.
Mm.
Alright, let's see.
Alright, we're gonna say, yeah, I've seen.
Alright, so this is what it looks like when you pull it apart like that.
Yeah.
There are
section.
seeds, yeah, and there are seeds in there. Alright.
I'm going to try.
Can't wait.
Try is going before everybody.
Potent.
Potent, turn up. Potency, turn up. Alright, Momo, pull out some. Sorry, Troy.
It's strong, man.
Hi, Jody, you pass, right?
Friend on the car that's stressed out.
Oh, yeah.
Come,
Yeah, good team player.
come
yeah.
run. This looks like the seed. Fix it, plate, not Jody.
How the many drop.
No, you have to try it. You have to try it. Alright, so this is it. So I'm using my fingers. Let's go.
Let's
Jody, no! Jody.
That's not even a
What
taste.
is this?
Powdery.
And soft. This is it, guys. I already know the taste of the thinking toe. The thing is, if you're thirsty, if your mouth is dry, do not
Eat this, it choke you to death.
It will choke you. And it's powdery, and it really has a not nice, pleasant smell.
Yeah.
And to tell you this too, people actually use this to make drinks or juice. Better yet, people use this to make, and I hear it makes very nice drink. Makes a very nice drink. So, what do you think about it, Jody?
It's quite fine.
Do you like it as a fruit that you actually eat on a regular basis, or often? First and last?
Yep.
Just if you
Just the
sweet.
smell.
Does it smell?
Can't really
Yeah,
get past
I
the
mean,
smell so easy.
it's the texture is fine. The taste, it doesn't really have a taste.
There's a sweet taste to it.
Sweet. You have a
Not to
sweet.
me.
Yeah,
It's
man,
actually
I'm
fresh.
with. I agree with Jody on this one.
It doesn't really
Not
have.
my favorite. Next.
You know, when you eat fruit, you're supposed to get some
You feel,
some sweetness, some sugary thing. There's
try it
nothing-
again. It has a little bit of sweetness to it.
But
A
yet
little
still
bit.
Yeah.
tamarind is not sweet. Like everybody likes tamarind.
No,
Like,
with sugar.
Yeah.
That is not that.
Jamaican, yeah.
it's not tamarind. There's something else.
That's
What is tamarind?
No.
With
That is-
sugar.
That is tempered. tamarind.
Yeah. Tempered tamarind.
No, I'll take a pass.
Alright guys, now we move on to
Let's try the guinep.
Guinep. How do we eat them? Skin and all.
So, for you.
And it's a good thing that they're there. You know, it shows that the fruit is well nice. Fresh.
alright, so guys, whole heap of we know guinep. Whole heap of people climb people's guinep trees just to get guinep, because maybe some people don't have it in their yard or in their respective yards, so they climb other people's trees. Call Mas Joe or something like that, asking him, this fly is enjoying our stuff.
Yes. No GMO, strictly
No.
natural.
Mhm.
Flies into it, you know? Yeah.
Alright, so this is actually guinep. Grows like this, bunches on a tree. And they're trying this. Might I say, this thing is very stainy. Will stain anything. Anytime.
Especially your clothes.
Then
That's the worst part of it.
yeah. And alright, so let's go. All the way to guinep. All the way
Yeah,
to
normally
And
when
it's
you have a young
also-
child, like, you know, say a parent would normally open it and crack it up,
Crack it,
chew it up, and then give it to them in
Yeah.
pieces.
And it's called different names in different parts of the Caribbean.
Oh.
I
Okay.
don't know. I cannot recall any right now.
Yeah, but
I
that's true.
know that they're called different names.
Alright. But here in Jamaica, they're called guineps, right? Alright, so we do break the skin and
It's like a natural ice cream.
it's like a natural Right, it's like a natural ice cream cone.
Just, you know.
Alright. One thing was also note about the guinea is there are different shapes.
Shapes and textures.
Yeah,
Yes.
some of them when you actually put it in your mouth, the flesh from it melts.
Melts off.
Alright, so our next fruit is the mammee.
The mommy fruit.
Mommy, people, mommy.
And I have so many stories because I grew up in bush. So this is mammee, and actually it's like this. This is the fruit before it's peeled. This is what it looks like after being peeled. So I think the mammee that I'm really familiar with, the skin has more crust. It's darker and has a lot of crust. Now a mammee usually have multiple seeds, maybe two, but not most of the time not one.
Yeah,
Yeah,
barely not one.
right.
Yeah, and they vary in sizes too.
Right,
It
very
can be
much.
extremely
Big
big
and extremely small.
Like
Alright, so this fruit, the first time I had it was a couple years ago when I first went by Shana's house. They are usually sweeter. This one is not so sweet.
Usually sweeter.
Yeah, it's okay though.
have two tastes. Like first, initially sweet, the aftertaste like a bitterness in a sense. But I don't know if I just this one, I just saw them always taste. But this is the first time I'm having it. It's alright. Cool.
And people make great juice with goes nicely with pine, a little ginger or the lime juice if you wish.
It reminds me of plum.
It does.
Yeah.
Yes. The texture.
Yeah. The meat in is like, you know. It tastes like a few things. This is interesting.
Yeah, I like it.
I actually love it.
Next up is
Star apple.
The meanest fruit ever. It does not fall off the tree.
By far.
Stay up near
Oh,
and
that's
rot.
why they say it mean.
Yeah.
Oh.
Mean like star apple.
It don't fall off.
When people
You
say you
have-
mean like this thing,
you're really mean.
you're really mean. Yes.
But
Really mean.
like, I always hear the old proverb thing, but I never really understand
Yeah.
that thing.
This stays and rot on the tree until some breeze blow it off.
Or a bird or something.
Yeah.
It
So,
stains too.
yeah, this is what it looks like. It has seeds. Actually, there are two types, I think, the purple and the white.
Yeah.
In terms of the purple
Inside.
one, yeah, the
And
inside,
Yeah, inside. They have green. Because some of them.
the outer part. I think the green one is the white one.
Mhm.
Thank you.
And then there's something like milk coming out like it just look.
Actually, that's a
It's the
stain.
It's the stain.
Yeah, it's very stable.
Yeah.
Ready?
All right, so
Everyone is in position. Alright, let's go. Nice.
I don't like.
You like it?
It's not so sweet though. Not this one.
But this is what it usually tastes like. I'm not a
I'm
fan
okay
of
with
it.
this. Yeah, it's not one of the best tasting fruit, but can
It
work.
doesn't really have any flavor.
A little. It's not so exotic.
Faintish.
Fresh.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is what it looks like. Yeah.
Have a lychee texture in that.
Yeah.
Yeah. But probably it's a cousin of the lychee anyway. Maybe.
Probably lychees in it.
I don't really think so.
Never know.
I don't really think so. Something else.
Next up, the guava.
So actually,
So I love the sweet guava. I don't know if this one is one of the sour ones.
no, it's a sour one you like.
Yeah, I don't know. I like the sour guava, right? I don't know if this one is the sweet one or the sour one.
Take up them.
I don't like
Yeah,
the fact
and
that the guava has so many seeds.
You don't
Yeah.
like guava,
It's
I
impossible.
don't like the
not to.
fact that the
It's
guava has so
impossible
many
not to like
seeds.
guava.
but
No.
though you don't like
I say
it,
it's impossible not to eat one of the seeds, so I just leave it in.
Yeah, it makes awesome jam
and
Yeah,
juice.
guava jam. And juice too.
and juice. Yeah, but it takes a long time to strain.
Yeah, because of the lot of seeds and
Yeah.
stuff.
All you have to do, just get
Guava
one
and
of
cherry.
your grandmother old
That's
dress which used to wear to church, tear it off, and then use it as a proper strainer, get out the seed and everything else, like it works.
Yeah, I hope you don't get anything from your grandmother dress.
Yeah!
Beep.
Oh, so is that it already?
Ah. Sour.
Yes.
Oh.
One is a good one.
I don't like the sour ones. I never like the sour
It's
ones.
nice.
This kind of
My
mine.
God.
That
Mhm.
mine.
Sour?
Yeah,
My God.
this is good.
Sour.
My mama threw with my guava. My
You really like that. You're really enjoying that one.
Mm-mm.
You're really enjoying that.
Next up, this is Mr. Naseberry. This is called Naseberry.
Naseberry. Is that the right term?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know why people
Naseberry.
call it. Some people say Naseberry, but
Naseberry, and they have a cousin.
Pronunciation varies.
Yes.
this we call them rat bats. Those things.
Yeah,
actually
they're very-
love them.
Very.
The small fruit.
Fruit bats, rat bats. Not like the rat bat that
Hey,
you
can we
can't
put up the guavas?
And this has a cousin, you know, the sunberry.
Really?
Yeah.
I never heard of that one.
Same, they look the same way, but that one when it texture inside greeny. And it's shaped different. It's shaped like this.
Yeah.
Sweet,
I like mine.
sweet. Like you can actually taste the sugar in there.
Yeah.
If you just eat something that you probably don't like, this would be amazing.
No, not really.
You don't like it.
Sweet.
Yeah.
White thing.
So try having some challenges. Try not like this one.
Wet and just really good.
Try what's happened to it.
Wet and grainy. That's weird.
Oh my gosh.
That's funny. Yeah. And the next one is
The passion.
the
Yes.
passion fruit.
And this is what we're talking about.
Oh my gosh. So we don't know.
True.
Take your foot out of the way.
Like the passion fruit. Who wants to cut their nature? No. Everybody opt out.
Some of that thing, right?
Alright. So the passion fruit has little seeds. And there's little juice in there. People use this to make juice. They always mix it with all kind of stuff. With
Yeah.
the Kool-Aid.
Nice.
With what else? Other fruit juice if you're making pine.
They mix it with guava.
Yeah, with guava.
Passion and
tea.
guava.
Sour sap, sweet sap.
Apples.
Cherry.
Yeah, cherry.
Ready? Ready? Yeah, ready.
It's sweet.
Alright. This one have a little tangy taste to it.
Tangy, baby.
Joe, what's your reaction? Not liking it? So?
Where is sweet
It's
from?
kind of sweet. It's not tangy at all.
What's wrong with their taste buds?
Alright, let me try and taste the juice off of it.
Wow.
So next up is
Mango.
mango. What is this? What kind of mango is this? So
Um,
in Jamaica we have a ton of different types of mango.
100
Yeah.
different.
100.
Hundreds.
Yeah.
Maybe thousand.
Enough.
Fruitarian.
Yeah.
So many variety?
Yeah.
I didn't know it's 100.
But remember, my mango trees are engrafted one. That was naturally. That
Yeah,
grew.
so then you'll get the variety.
So you get a variety.
Yeah, 'cause-
That tree, it have like big mangoes on one side, small mangoes on the other side. You like big like this.
Yeah,
Yeah,
in the middle.
Big.
Yeah, we have a tree at the front with it's a mixture of Julia and East Indian. One mango.
Well, actually, this is called black mango or blackie. Yeah.
That's my favorite of mangoes.
You can eat them skin and all. It's very mild, sweet.
Can I tell you, like, if you have one big mango, if I have one big mango, if Shane have a big mango, I want the seed first.
She always wants
So
to see.
because
Cut the two sides and I want the seed. Okay.
beep.
The dirty minds are on the rise.
Alright. Ready?
What's that?
Sweet.
Blackie. Jamaican
Nice.
blackie mango, yes.
Sweet.
Whoa.
The skin is perfect.
Yeah.
And if you're that type of person who don't like to peel mangoes, you can just eat this like an apple.
Oh,
I am not eating the skin.
especially when it's really ripe.
Yeah.
I don't eat the skin though.
Just
Oh,
eat the
actually-
skin.
Who cannot eat one mango only?
Give me
Shana,
6.
Me.
Give me 6. Like, you know, make
I
sense to
do
eat
not. I
one.
feel irritated when
You
I
can't
eat
eat
just
just
one
one?
mango.
It's
I
like
have
tasty.
to
Yeah,
eat.
you like somebody jump start and just left you.
Yeah,
Like
I
a
have to
tasty
eat
taste.
multiple mangoes. Cannot
At
eat
least
one.
3 big ones. And if you're
Like
brave
a
with your next one.
These are sweet though.
What next one? Which next one?
Alright, banana.
Everybody familiar with banana.
Yeah, everyone is familiar with banana. This is Jolie's bananas. Alright, so let me do knife and just cut it piece by piece. Alright, so ready for the banana, babes? You can put up the mango seed. Alright, ready? After 2, 1, 2.
Yeah.
Nice. What's the consistency like?
Banana consistency.
It's nice.
It's sweet,
It's nice.
full of sugar,
Mm-hmm.
And it's nice. Just nice.
Nice,
All
yeah.
around. Banana.
soft.
Banana. nice.
Bumpy. So you know they have different. You still have different variety of bananas. So
Yeah.
can you have little bumpy bananas?
Yeah,
And then,
a wide variety of bananas.
Mhm.
I think them have one named Gross Michelle or something.
Gross, yeah.
Or
Yes, it
yam.
is.
I eat this?
That's why
yeah,
it's so sweet.
Yeah, that's it. And then
I
you
haven't
have
buy the other one.
Carbine on them.
you have a purple looking banana thing. I don't know.
Yeah.
I love
The
banana.
pigment ones and the small, them look, them call
We
them
used to
crack
have those.
banana in the rural parts. I say,
Okay,
No,
so
from-
We call it apple
Banana as
banana. The short ones.
Yeah, apple banana.
ready for disclaimer, we have this fruit. What is it? This is peach. Actually, I've heard. So we're about to try this. Has anybody here ever tried this?
No.
No. So this is new for us.
We've had peach in the can before. We've all had, of course.
This we don't know.
We don't-
how
Yeah,
this look
where that
inside.
this is Jamaican peach. We don't have Jamaican root peach.
Well, we're going to put it to the test.
We're going to put it to the peach test.
Alright.
You don't want to be peel or
We're gonna
Tough.
approach it like a baby. We're going to tear it apart.
We're gonna rip it up. Oh, this is what it looks like
The inside almost look like dragon fruit. Oh man.
Smell like melon.
we really
Everybody
think
have-
you should have peel or something.
The skin is not. The skin is not
Alright.
sticking up.
We're eating the red part.
What are we eating? What are we eating?
This don't taste right. This is sour. It's it's
Oh.
like the inside of the cantaloupe like.
Oh my gosh.
There are mango strings in my teeth.
Pass it on, just a seed.
Just an unknown fruit seed.
Oh, this.
It just seem like an almond.
Yes, I did. I don't
The
like
seed
it.
with the almond seed would have stayed into the apple little like vein thing on it.
Babes,
Hello?
the unknown fruit.
No, I said it. I said it tastes like cantaloupe, but it's sour. It's firm. It's very firm.
We don't know what it is.
I don't like it though
I don't know what.
because I don't know how to eat it, and the skin is sour.
And it's hard.
Ask them if anybody knows.
Mm-hmm.
You're right.
Supposed to be had.
Does anybody know what this fruit is? If it's a fruit or what the case may be?
Mhm.
How
Please
should be
just
eaten?
comment on it. Or how it should be eaten, or maybe this is green. We don't know.
But we bought it here in Jamaica.
So that's it.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
what's your favorite?
Yeah.
My favorite was the naseberry and the pine and the papaya. Love those.
You don't like mammee then?
Yeah, but this mammee is not one of the sweeter ones that I've ever tried.
Okay. My favorite, definitely the mango, and I absolutely
As we can
love.
see,
I absolutely love
yeah, the banana.
Right, bananas.
Banana was good.
and what else do I like? Actually, the guinep, but guinep is one of my favorites. But today it's not so sweet, so yeah. But I love that. This is my jam.
My favorite was everything, but I favored mostly the thinking too. It's been a while since I've ate it, and it's good. And the banana is really nice as well.
Yeah,
Sweet, firm, you know, a lot of energy.
Clip! Stop going again. Said the banana was nice again.
Pause.
Said the banana was nice again.
No, I love
We tried the
Fire.
banana first.
Oh my
Right.
god.
It's a softy.
Beep again. Alright, money.
My favorite was the papaya. Definitely the mammee, because I'm a long time favorite. And
Yeah.
that's it. That's basically it. The papaya and the mammee was mine.
How about you, Joe?
Okay, so my all-time favorite fruits are papaya, mango, and banana. So apart from those three, I like of the ones that we tried today, I like the naseberry and the starfruit.
Oh, you like a caramel?
You did.
Yeah.
Oh man.
That's it?
You
Okay,
try that,
guys.
yes.
Alright, thank you guys for watching. Please give this video like this video,
Give a
comment
thumbs
on
up.
it, give it a thumbs up, and
Press
see
the
you.
thumb till it turns blue.
Yeah.
So see you on our next. Oh, before we go, thank you guys so much
Yes.
for giving us your time
Indeed.
and
Indeed.
for
Yeah.
chatting with us.
Yeah.
And,
And indulging.
Yeah, and of course we definitely will do something like this again. I don't know what else. Probably this time will be a competition to see who can eat stuff the fastest
Yeah.
or who can eat the most mangoes. Yeah.
No.
We can see that.
Who were first to KPH?
No, no.